Hey guys, Joey at Cannon's RV Repair. On today's episode of RV Repair, one thing that a lot of people don't know is that these Black Series, I'm working on a Black Series HQ19 travel trailer today. These touch buttons are not actually wired to the wall. So as you can see, I'm turning everything on and off. This is the one in the bathroom, but I'm turning the lights back on. Okay, so you can actually take these off the wall. So here's another one I have here. And on the back of it, they actually have a battery. And these communicate with these white boxes that are underneath the actual RV bench right here. You can kind of see that red light that's turned on. So we have one of them unhooked, but like it just communicates remotely to these. So one things we'll do is, if you want to take it off, you just put your hands on the bottom of it and put your thumb at the top, slight pressure, and it just comes right off. And it doesn't break. When you want to go to put it back on, just set it at the top, slight pressure, and it goes right back on. Okay? So, and it works. But these batteries do need to be replaced. So you guys will call up and say, hey, Joey, like, my touch buttons aren't working. And I say, hey, did you replace the battery in the back of it? But I haven't been able to find a video on YouTube yet that shows that. So I just wanted to share that with everybody. They sell these batteries online. I'll post a link in the description below. We'll go outside here. I'll show you what kind of trailer we're working on. HQ19 Black Series. Sorry about that. I almost tripped. So we're actually having a problem with the charging system on this one that we're working on right now. And we'll update more on that later. But if you guys need a new battery for your little touch pads that are wireless and remote, check out the description below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more information on things you didn't know. Thanks for watching.